The strong rains for the past few days caused a lot of flood in the roads going to from Hawera to Hamilton. As you could see, there are still remnant floods along the roads. To top of this, there are some roadworks being done as well. So they closed one of the way going to Hawera to Hamilton. So we had to go around the Bull Street, um, going around Palmerston North, all the way to Hunterville. So it's quite a long way to go, but that's just the effect of the rains that happened for the past few days. Hope everyone is safe. Please continue to be vigilant and drive safely. Importante yung safety natin and also the safety of other drivers on the road. So we need a lot of patience in terms of driving. Since the roads are quite wet and there are some slippage that's blocking the roads, and that's one of the reasons why the travel from Hawera to Hamilton would take about 6.5 hours. So as you could see, there's still some roadworks happening, and then coupled with the continuous rain for the past few days. So just make sure to bring a lot of patience driving on the road, and always follow the traffic rules to avoid any accidents. Have a safe trip, everyone.